how MBA made an impact on my overall expectations from myself. One is my expectations from myself changed forever. And that was because I was sitting in a class of very, very accomplished people. They set the bar really, really high. Whenever I had to in future now assess and see and make moves in my life, it always takes me back to the same calibration that I had at a business school. And I think that's very, very important. That's really important for everyone. Listen, be a part of a very, very strong peer group. It makes a difference. I think another way in which an MBA helped me was my ability to make decisions, my ability to have a very, very comprehensive approach while making decisions I think it was very significantly impacted. And I think everyone in a corporate career, even if you do not want to stick to business, even if you think you want to go very deep in technology, I think you should still explore an education in business. It really helps. And another reason I think that's very important, I spent a lot of time studying in an international environment that had people from very diverse backgrounds, nationalities, functions, industries. And those are the moments in your life when you realize that your point of view, it's so tiny, it's so myopic. And I had a time at Darden when there were people, when they spoke, I took notes. That was the time when I felt that coming here really was worth it. It was 100% worth it. It's like you're in a laundry, and you're continuously churning yourself. And when you get out, you realize that you're a very, very, very different individual. I think it's a very, very important decision to make in life. Explore international MBA. Hey, you go rock.